In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add your own ingredients. Sometimes when you are adding or editing a recipe, you will try to add your own ingredient and you will see it says no matches found. This means the ingredient is not yet in our database, but you can always add your own custom ingredient. For example, let's say I want to edit this smoothie to add vegan protein powder. First, make a copy of the recipe. Then click on the Add Ingredient button at the bottom of the ingredients list. Add the name of the ingredient, the quantity, the unit of measure, and the category. You'll notice under Nutrition From, it says no matches found, which means the ingredient is not yet in our database or you haven't yet added it as a custom ingredient. To add it as a custom ingredient, click on No Matches Found. You'll be taken to the Nutrition tab. From here, you can search our Nutrition API to select a match. If you cannot find a suitable match in our Nutrition API, you can enter in your own nutrition information for the ingredient. For this custom ingredient, we will input the nutrition information into the appropriate fields. Once you are done entering the nutrition information, click the Continue button. You'll notice a green checkmark indicating Custom is now under the Nutrition From field. Be sure to click Add Ingredient to save the details. Once you have finished editing the recipe, click Save Recipe. We will always remember the ingredient for you so you can easily add it to future recipes. If you need to edit the ingredient at any time, reopen the recipe editor. Click the three dots to the right of the ingredient, and then click Edit Ingredient. Click the Nutrition tab, enter your edits, click the Continue button, and then click the Edit Ingredient button to save your updated custom nutrition information. And that's how easy it is to add your own ingredients.